when the government of India tried before to disable Bangladesh, then Dr. Mohammed Yunus put like a message that if India trying to disable Bangladesh, seven sister will be disappeared.
Search English with Pothik and be connected with me.
How is the condition of Cambly right now, like the city?
In Bangladesh,
Ah,
you want to know about the current situation of Bangladesh, maybe?
right.
Okay. Initially, I have to say that the old government fell down from power. Okay.
Yes.
The new government took power, took by Dr. Mohammed Yunus, who obtained a Nobel Prize. Okay. The condition right now in Bangladesh is not doing well. So, the government of India disclosed many banks like Tista as well as others. Okay, some people in Bangladesh are afflicted with flood, especially in Kumilla, Noakhali. You know, they disclosed the bank when the people of Noakhali, Kumilla were sleeping. They woke up and found that the area as well as their house is full of water. Okay, that's a unwanted situation. Yeah, is still now trying to disable Bangladesh because the government right now in India supported, I mean, Sheikh Hasina, and that's why Sheikh Hasina fall down from power, and that's why the government of India is still trying to disable Bangladesh. That's an unwanted thing. In India Pakistani border, Indian army cannot able to kill any person who is from Pakistan, but in Bangladesh India border, many people are killed by Indian army. That's really bad for us.
So bad.
Should the Bangladeshi people do, brother say? Have to take some step to against India because Indian government try to disable. And any country, not only India but also other countries, if any country wants to disable Bangladesh, they must take several steps. Correct this situation. He gained Nobel Prize. President of
Dr.
America
Mohammed
called
Yunus.
him. Was invited in France Olympic as a chief guest. Do you imagine what the power of Dr. Mohammed Yunus?
Yeah, I see. I see.
Like,
That's nice. That's honorable, I think.
yeah, when the government of India tried before to disable Bangladesh, then Dr. Mohammed Yunus put like a message that if India trying to disable Bangladesh, Seven Sister will be disappeared. Like Seven Sister is a area that separated from the central area. Do you know about a little bit Seven
I
Sisters?
see. No. I have no idea about that.
Okay, don't worry. Seven Sister is under India, but still now these people wanted freedom, emancipation from India.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so can you imagine the power of Dr. Mohammed Yunus? We are right now always we are facing some difficulties also. The people of Bangladesh are over afflicted with flood.
I see. The condition of the country is really bad, and whatever people can do, they're working like.
Actually, we need international support. Like if Pakistani people want to help us and help Bangladesh, that it will be definitely benefactor.
Oh, man. Man. We like consider Bangladesh like our brother, sisters.
Yeah.
Brothers and
Still India trying to attack Bangladesh. That's very unwanted.
no. Yeah, I see.
We are hoping that if any chance India attack Bangladesh, China and Pakistani will help us because
Yeah, of course. Condition will not be right, India is doing whatever they want, and they were actually practically they are terrorists. Whatever they're doing.
The students of Bangladesh were trying to protest against quota system. Quota system is something that the children of freedom fighter will be get more privileged in government job. So when the general student are trying to get rid of this quota system, then the old government killed many students very hardly in a inhuman behavior.
I know. Pakistani students were also there for studying, and they were actually acquiring education from your country. And
Bangladesh won the test match against Pakistan.
yeah, our team declared as they were playing, and they made about 446 or 56 runs.
I'm thinking about the Imran Khan is in jail.
Yeah, he's right now in jail, of course.
So sad. I loved him.
Yeah, a lot of people love him, and yeah, but they can't do nothing. Okay.